Right, folks. Well, this here episode is pretty straightforward. What we got here is a busted stair railing little mountain bracket there. And you might think, well, that's pretty straightforward, right? Like, why do we need a video for this? Well, I just figure I'd give you a pro tip. So, of course, I want to be able to reuse them holes in the wall there. So, before you go down to the Menards, pro tip, take you a piece of paper. Sorry about the zoomage action here. Post-it note works real good. So I just feel for them screw heads, and then you make a little mark where it is. Yep. Feel for the other one. It's right yonder somewhere here. Mark that one. And then you feel for the third one. And you mark that one. And so what this is going to do is serve as a template for you when you go down there to your hardware store and you find another bracket what fits. Now, of course, if yours isn't totally shattered into like 3 pieces, you could just take it off of the wall and then you could draw your template that way. But anywho, so that's what I've done, and I've already had a different template that I took down there. And so yeah, like I say, then you can just measure up where them holes land, and you can't see that, but mind you, it lines up perfectly. So we're going to go ahead and try to get these out and replace it with this guy here. It should be a perfect fit. So we're going to see how that looks. Well, I think I said it was busted into 3 pieces, but it's actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Crazy. I don't know, man. That shattered. Well, I suppose I should say I did take out these ones first before I tried to get at that one. That's I'll do reverse order when I put it back on. I'll put the bracket on there, and then I'll do these screws in. But I suppose a person could have got your template for those 2 holes too. Lucky for me, they do line up. So should go on pretty smooth. Unfortunately, the base ain't quite the same, so we might see some of that showing through, but ain't nobody looking that close. So yeah, let's get her on there. Right now, well, the new screws are skinnier than the old ones, so I think what I'm gonna do is use the old screws on the top 2 here. For the bottom one, I'm gonna have to use one of these new ones because the old screw was bent and the head of it started to be stripped out, so don't want to mess around with that. But yeah, that way we got good grip on the old holes. I guess that's one unfortunate thing about reusing the holes, but I'm trying to avoid messing up this here wall, so that's the plan. All right, well, I guess she's done, so it's on there. Again, you can see the outline of the old one, but from up above, you ain't gonna see that. Oh, and I found another chunk of the old one on the stairs. So, well, that'll about do it. Check us out next time.